Hey, welcome back. It's Beef from Fearless Beaver Survival Gear. Today, we're looking at an item that I pack in, I'd say, all my kits. It's a little hygiene bag. Let's just get into it. First of all, I usually pack them in these bags or Ziploc bags, and I label them. When you're in a situation where you've got, that fight or flight, that situation where you're focused on survival, the last thing you need is 10 bags or, things within your backpack that look the same, and, you're looking for something, and then that adds to your stress level, your heart rate's up. So I label these items, most of them, and that way it makes it easier to find. So quite simply put, this is a bag. It's water resistant, this one. And that is an important thing. That's why I put them in Ziploc bags often. And also because I want to keep costs down for you. And then I include items in there. So let's go through these items. There's not, a heck of a lot, right? Because I don't want to, people have a lot of preferences. I thought of including things like toothpaste and, things like that, but not everyone might like the same type of toothpaste or whatnot. So a toothbrush, and then I've got 2 compressed towels. When water is added to them, it expands. They expand. So I don't want to have all kinds of hygiene items in your toothpaste, soap, and all that, because people have allergies. People have this. So my kit is very basic. What I will say is I give you this big bag. Let me see if I can zoom out. There you go. Right? This bag can fit a lot. So one of the things that makes my curated kits unique, okay, is that I leave room for you to personalize my go bags, my survival kits. I don't just stuff them with things and then you've got no room. I think that is ridiculous. You need to be able to put things that meet your needs and add to it, right? I just provide you with the foundational items. That's why most of my business comes from custom bags, because it allows you to have what you want, no more. And in turn, that reduces costs. Why should you pay for something you're never going to use? So this is very simple. It's a hygiene kit. Make sure you have one, right? Um, Now, that's not to say that, oh, you're lost in the woods and your first priority is going to be brushing, right? But you never know. You could use this brush for numerous things. Maybe it's to, um, clean something. It could be for whatever. The towel's the same thing, right? You're out in the heat, and you're feeling your body temperature go high. You can wet one of these towels, place it on your head to, just cool yourself, right? For tips and tricks on heat exhaustion, and hypothermia and such, please look at YouTube videos for that. That's not what my video is going to be about, because I don't want to give advice on how to manage those situations. What I do want to do is provide you with knowledge and information that gives you peace of mind of what you're not only buying from me, if you buy from someone else, but what you're buying, how it's applicable, and that will actually help you in a stressful situation, because you will know that you've got these items. So that's it for today's video. This is a video on making sure you have some hygiene items in your bag. Ladies, for you, right? You have some essentials that you need, and so make sure you add those items to your bag. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And as always, get out there, have a blast, live your life to its fullest. Stay safe, stay fearless.